So guys, we are waiting for the takeoff for Asiana Airlines and Korean Airlines as well as Philippine Airlines. So dito po tayo ngayon sa Shell view deck. Dito full view para makita po ni Banban yung mga nagte-take off and landing na eroplano. So ito po kasi yung pinaka gustong-gusto niya na time para makita niya yung mga eroplano. Dito po kasi napakaganda ng view, harap mismo ng Terminal 2, Terminal 3. So we're just waiting for Asiana Airlines to take off. Maybe in a few minutes it will going to take off, followed by Korean Airlines and Philippine Airlines as well. So kaya dito kasi kung makikita nyo guys, napakaganda ng napakaganda ng area na to. So kaya it is highly advisable na pumunta kayo dito sa Shell View Deck. Ayan na po yung Asiana Airlines going to take off. Ayan po kung nakikita nyo. Ayan, nakikita nyo yung Asiana Airlines. So napakagandang pagkakataon na nakikita ni Banban yung kwan dito area. So in the next in a few minutes as well, so Korean Airs will be followed for takeoff, including followed by Philippine Airlines. So in a few minutes po, ayan, makikita natin yan kasi po magkakasunod lang po sila. So actually kaya po nandito kami sa Shell View Deck na to kasi Banban wants to be a pilot someday, hopefully in God's will. So familiar na siya or alam niya na yung mga procedures and matagal niya na akong niyayaya dito. So ngayon lang po kami nagkaroon ng pagkakataon para pumunta dito sa Shell View Deck dito sa multinational malapit sa Merville. So Ban, kaway-kaway ka Ban, kaway-kaway ka dito. Say hello to our viewers. So possibly i-post niya ito sa videos niya, so makikita natin to. So ayan, yan po yung Terminal 2 in front of us, and this right side, so papunta dun sa Terminal 3 and Lufthansa ticket. Nandiyan po yung so may nagland, ayan, Cebu Pacific po yan, so nagland. And maybe after that, so the next will be the Korean Airlines will be having takeoff. So just wait po lang po natin, maybe in a few seconds. So it will be, so makikita niyo po si Banban. So every time na may mag-landing and take off na aeroplano, he will going to take pictures for that. I think some is video. So makikita po natin yan. Yan. So ayan yung Cebu Pac. So ayan po. So and then in a few seconds possibly the Korean Air will be having takeoff. So dito po sa runway 24. Yan, 0624. So dito kami ngayon sa, as I mentioned a while ago, that we are on Shell View Deck. Dito libre lang po to. If you want to go here just to watch landing and takeoff of different airlines, so free, wala pong charge dito sa Shell View Deck. Napakaganda po to. So kaya kung if you have time, gusto nyo mag-relax just to watch different types of airlines having takeoff and landings, so it is highly advisable to go here para po makita nyo, makapag-relax kayo. So now the times, normally the times is about 12:15. So kaya po, ayan, so dito lang kami, ayan, nakikita nyo. So ayan na po yung Korean Airs having prepared for takeoff. Ayan, kung makikita nyo po. So Banban is very exciting. So ayan, it's 2224. Malaki po kasi yan. And the next will be by, I think, Philippine Airlines will be the next, or followed by having takeoff. So we will wait for a couple of minutes or seconds. So the Philippine Airlines will be next having takeoff at this view. So makikita po natin yan. So we will just wait. So actually si Badban po is very eager to watch those different airlines to see. So ayan, makikita natin si Badban. He is very article that eager to see those different types of airlines, okay, having takeoff. So in a couple of minutes, so the Philippine Airlines will be having takeoff. So kita natin, yan. So yan. So Espuelo, yan. So kita po natin yan. Maybe tayo po natin. Baka nagpe-prepare na yun dun sa runway. So let us watch to there is landing. So albino, so there is no such slavery on that aircraft. So na nagland, yan. So again, Banban is eagerness to willing that that is albinos, because there is no such livery for that type of aircraft. Okay, so as you can see, he's only taking pictures or video from that aircraft. Okay, so then maybe the next, so the takeoff of Philippine Airlines. Okay, so let us see. So we'll just wait for that. Okay, so makikita nyo po. We will just wait for a couple of minutes. Maybe it will having a takeoff now. So again, guys, it is highly recommended to go here in Shell View Deck, because it is very ideal place to watch those airline who having takeoff and landing for this area. Again, this Shell View Deck located near on let's see, guys, as you can see, the Philippine Airlines will having takeoff. So again, as you can see, we'll watch, and you can see that. Okay, so if you see that one, so guys, so now at least the three wide-body aircraft having takeoff, and this is okay. We are going to end this video. So again, it is highly recommended to go here if you want to see or observe the different types of aircraft landing and takeoff. So it is highly recommended to go here in the Shell View Deck area near in multinational. So multinational village. So you can able to go here by, so you can go through or like cheap using service roads or at multinational village. Okay, guys, thank you very much. Ban kaway kaban. So let's goodbye. So let's end this video. Thank you very much for watching. So again, Banban would like to he would like to be a pilot someday. So that's why his eagerness to see this the different types of airlines who are having landing and takeoff here on runway 0624. So guys, thank you very much for watching. So for that, so again, there is an AirAsia has landing, just landed. This AirAsia airline. So okay, so thank you very much, guys. Have a nice day and goodbye. And maybe we will going to return it back here maybe in the afternoon. So this time about 12:30 noon here in Philippines. Thank you very much, guys. Bye-bye.